So the long-awaited Jamaica Premier League playoffs are here. We are halfway through the first round of eliminators, with, of course, the top two teams from the regular season, Mount Pleasant and Cavalier, earning the privilege of automatic semi-final spots, which is obviously an advantage, getting to avoid an additional elimination round. But equally, the long layoff, 3 weeks to be exact, of inactivity, even the best players and the best teams lose sharpness and that competitive edge after 3 weeks without competitive football. Training is one thing, but nothing keeps players sharper than playing tough competitive football games. So the lower ranked teams coming out of the tough 2-game round should be sharper and more match ready than the automatic semi-finalists, i.e. Mount Pleasant and Cavalier, who can counter by saying they are well rested and all their niggles are healed. Anyway, before we get to that hurdle, let the first round conclude as the teams clear the first hurdle.